how to convert vertical videos to horizontal format. Hi everyone, I'm Gilherme from JMV Technology. Today I'll share a simple tip on changing video formats. These days, more videos are shot on mobile devices, especially in vertical format with phones held upright. This results in videos with a 9:16 aspect ratio. Some platforms prefer 16:9 formats like 1920x 1080 or 1280x. So we need to change the format, even if it adds black bars on the sides. For efficiency, we'll show a quick process using CapCut, but you can use other video editors too. Let's open CapCut, create a new project, and import our video. Remember, we now offer vertical web TV plans, so you might not need this process at all. I'll put the QR code for our plans on screen and in the description. When signing up, just tell us you want this format. Our YouTube channel also offers tips on creating a web TV. We'll leave it here on the card and in the description. This inserted video has dimensions of 1080 by 1920. Let's change it to dimensions of 1920 by 1080. To do this, we'll do a simple step. Select the aspect ratio option and change it to 16:9. You can see it shows examples of each available option. After selecting, you'll see black bars added to each side of the video. Then just export your video and use it on any platform you want. For more free content, check our description for our e-learning platform link with various courses. That's all, folks. If you enjoyed, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel.